Meet Philip, a project manager working on a complex renovation of the roof and ventilation systems on a large IKEA building, overseeing project management, independent project oversight, and construction site supervision.
What we implemented, technically speaking, was an area roughly the size of 4 football fields, covering 237,000 square feet. On this roof, we replaced both the waterproof membrane and the insulation. And all of this happened while the store remained open, which was definitely a challenge. We had to make sure that we didn't disrupt the operations too much. On a plan, a roof renovation and the ventilation units can look extremely similar, so keeping track of everything is a very tricky task. And if you can combine all of this with a 360-degree walkthrough, it becomes that much easier, especially during an ongoing roof renovation. You should always make sure, or rather be able to, track which section of the roof you're currently in. Plan Radar helped enormously with maintaining that overview. A new layer of thermal insulation was installed here, along with a new waterproofing layer. Trying to locate water inside a building is always the hardest part of site supervision. After a huge storm, there were no fewer than 150 water intrusions. And documenting those 150 points of water ingress, pinpointing their locations, and then assigning them to tickets was an essential part of the process. Plan Radar was also incredibly helpful here in tracking all the water damage and marking it with pins. That allowed us to identify the affected areas from the basement level and reflect them on the roof. What really makes me so happy about using SiteView is being able to look into the past. I wanted my documentation, the right photos at exactly the right moment, to always be right there, without having to spend forever digging through archived folders. With SiteView, I simply mount the camera on my helmet and start walking. For me, the benefit is this. On this roof, I can say exactly which part of the roof I'm inspecting. For me, that's 3 sections, and each section takes 5 minutes. So that's a total of 15 minutes. That means for the 237,000 square feet, it took me 15 minutes. Compared with before, when the supervision took me an hour and a half, or sometimes even 2 hours. That's just too long. At this level, no other platform can really do that. And that's not all. With competing solutions, I had to orient myself manually. I had to look at the plan and determine where I am standing. I'm roughly here. It was unbelievably tedious. Such a time drain. Stop, take a photo, wait a moment for the photo to be captured, then walk to the next point, the one I documented the week before. And with SiteView, I don't have to do that anymore because it knows where I am. I just start walking. The work isn't being done by me, but directly by Plan Radar. It was incredibly helpful for placing markups, and the 360-degree walkthrough also helped us locate everything again. It saved many hours of work and a lot of stress because you're not just looking at the plan all the time. You can also check the exact point on site and orient yourself easily. That helped tremendously. In the end, the owner has the big picture overview and can say, we are effectively free of defects. That is also very, very important for facility management because the facility management team here also uses Plan Radar. Owners don't always have to be on their own construction site. They can also get the information through Plan Radar, and they can view their own site through the 360-degree walkthrough themselves. That's a huge advantage because that way, the owner always knows what's happening week after week after week. They can do more than just read it from individual photos. They can actually walk through their own construction site